With Fleet Manager 2 software, IntelliDoX features, options, and settings related to BW clip configurations are easy to transfer to the IntelliDoX with a USB flash drive. Preparing a flash drive to be read by the IntelliDoX is simple. First, insert a USB flash drive into a USB port on your PC and, using your file browser, navigate to the USB flash drive. Create a new folder named System at the root level of your flash drive. Then, while logged into Fleet Manager 2 as an administrator, select Configure Devices via IntelliDoX on the Devices menu. Select Load Default Configuration File and click OK. Now, you can customize the default settings to create the BW clip configuration you want to deploy to a single detector or to a whole fleet of detectors. In this video, we will be configuring the BW clip's non-compliance indicator, which indicates when a BW clip has been exposed to gas vapors and has yet to be bump tested. Select the IntelliDoX Configuration tab. Make sure to enable the Apply Latest Changes to Detector Settings and Synchronize Detector Time and Date from the Automated IntelliDoX Operations section. Leave Bump Test the Detector selected if you want the IntelliDoX to automatically bump test a detector as it is inserted into an IntelliDoX. Now you are set to modify detector configurations by selecting the BW Clip Configuration tab. Next to the Non-Compliance After Gas Exposure setting, select Updatable first, then Enabled. This turns on the non-compliance indicator on the BW clip. To turn it off, deselect Enabled but leave Updatable selected. Click the Save to File button on the bottom of the Fleet Manager window. Notice the file name. It is important not to rename this file name or modify its file extension other than the name automatically given by Fleet Manager. Navigate to the System folder on your USB drive you created earlier and save your file. Eject your USB drive and insert it into the IntelliDoX module you want to configure. The USB File Copy utility menu automatically appears. Use the arrow keys to select Copy to Dock and then press the green Check button. IntelliDoX LCD will display a yellow screen with a progress bar as the file is transferring to the module. Do not remove the USB drive while this is occurring. Once the LCD screen returns to the USB File Copy utility screen, navigate using the arrow key to select Exit and press the green Check button. Once the screen turns green, you will be prompted that it's OK to remove the USB flash drive. Now, as you insert a BW clip into the IntelliDoX, and while it is being bump tested, the configuration you just loaded will be added to the BW clip, and the non-compliance indicator will appear following a gas event. Throughout the entire operation life of the BW clip, you can use Fleet Manager 2 to enable an IntelliDoX module to configure other BW clip detector settings, including the low and high alarm settings, display the current time on the detector, display the actual time of a peak reading event, display the gas reading during an alarm event, and set a bump test reminder schedule between 1 and 180 days. For more videos about IntelliDoX, visit our website, honeywellanalytics.com.